Well, we decided with the resources available on campus, faculty members, the IS department here, we can be a leader in the use of technology, and more than just having things available in the classroom, but effective implementation and use by students. We want to put the technology in their hands so they can utilize it in the classroom, cut down on competition for lab space, and so every student can do research, access the kind of website we need for class, and our digital platform for delivering content.
That's where we're going today in school, and they want to use it. They long to be on the computers. They want to use that technology, so why not embrace that and let them? And that's just kind of progression. That's where it's going. So
I believe the benefits from the iPads compared to textbooks is that you don't have to use a book as much, and I haven't used nearly as much paper and things as much as I used to in the past years. And it's just you're more organized with all your things.
It is cheaper when you have the e-textbooks. It is so much cheaper because science textbooks are extremely expensive.
We use it to incorporate different lab components. Some labs we have to incorporate a stopwatch, a timer. So there's an app for that. We use for note-taking, including the stylus. They use it for note-taking, for planning. There's a calendar built in, so a lot of kids that are unorganized, they can use that planning aspect to keep track of their classes, their assignments. So there's really endless possibilities, as far as apps that they can use to help themselves.
Summer, when I arrived here on campus in 2010, I started conversations with some of the people, technology directors here on campus, and we talked about the possibility of implementing as a classroom resource. So since that time, we've studied other schools who are using it effectively in the classroom to make sure it's something that we can do effectively. We don't want to bring in a resource that's more of a toy. We want to be able to use it meaningful ways in the classroom and make sure that our students get the most out of it. But it's been on the board for a while, and it's just taken a few years to get all the bugs worked out and do the research we needed to feel confident moving forward.
We're using a lot of electronic, like the world is changing, and so I think I think it's really helpful. It will help me in my future.
Yes, because everything is going to technology, and you need to know how to use technology to advance, I guess.
Yes, because of the growing amount of just technology and like online college and stuff like that, it just works way better.
They love them. I have to, every now and then, because they get so excited, especially 8th graders. 8th graders get excited over everything. And so when I ask them to go to a location, they're going, which one here? What? And they start with, somebody says, I can't find that one. How did you find that one? And they get up and they show each other how they found that particular website and how they got that information. And to an old teacher, to see that excitement, it is great.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. They're definitely more engaged. It's something that they're familiar with. So they like the aspect of having technology in their hands. And they can be mobile also. I can have them up in front of the class and they can have their iPad, and everybody's on the same page. They're seeing what everybody else is seeing.